Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube Friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you a chair which is Millberget. This is not new basically. I have already uploaded a different video on this particular unboxing of this chair. This chair is completely from Ikea, and the name itself is Millberget. And as I mentioned, I'll put that description of the unboxing of this chair on the description section. You can definitely find it out. This video is more of a review video after a couple of years. It's more than around 3 years of usage of this chair. I purchased it 3 years back, around 3 years back, and I purchased it from Ikea Hyderabad store. And this video will completely, I'll cover what are the problems with this chair after using it from the last 3 years, and how do you expect your chair to maybe have maybe after 3 years of duration. So let's see, I'll show you the problems with this chair first, then we'll go to the good part. So let's go for the cons first. Okay, the first con that I faced with this chair is the reclining part. So you cannot hold it with the reclining position. So basically there is no option it provided that you can hold with this particular reclining position. So it is not at all possible here. There is only one possibilities where you can hold it, or you can adjust your reclinement only if it is around 100 degree. I'll not say it's 90 degree, it's around 100 degree of inclinement, right? So that's what so this is the only problem. I mean, if you are working for a long duration, you definitely need to have your posture in this position, but if you need to take some rest little bit during, meanwhile, you cannot, because you have to once you pull up this particular handle, this position you cannot lock it. Okay, it is not possible. The first drawback. Okay, the second drawback, I can hear a little bit of noise over here. This is already almost 3 years of usage of this chair. It's already been 3 years, so I'm hearing little bit of noise. That is okay, I believe that's fine if we go for a chair for any longer duration. Then the third one is, if you see on the handrest, there are couple of scratches I can see. I am not sure. It may be because whenever I try to pull my chair on my desk, it usually crashes with that particular desk surface, and somehow I get some type of scratches over here. You can take a closer look if you want. Okay, here if you see, right? But this is, I believe this is also fine. But the good part is that the cushion is still intact, so it has not gone out. So we can definitely have a handrest over here. Okay, and then what else I can say of the cons part? I do not see anything else as of now. There are 3 cons. Little bit of noise, not much, but little bit of noise. And then reclining part where you cannot lock it on the reclined position, and this particular handrest areas can get little bit of scratches, or the rubberized material can go peeled off maybe after a year of use. That is fine, I believe. Okay, let's go to the pros of it. Okay, the first pro is that the cushioning material, I use it for approximately 10 hours a day, but I do see, it's still, the whole cushioning material is still intact. It has not gone. It is very smooth, and it will provide very comfort whenever you sit for a longer duration. Okay, and if you see the cushioning material of the back as well, it is completely intact. There is no problem at all. If you see on the back side, this is completely as it is when you purchase a new one. So I do not see any problem with respect to the cushioning material. It's perfectly fine. Even on the covers, the leather material which is used on top is also quite good, and it is still intact. I do not see any problem. Whenever we go for a local quality or a different brand, other than Ikea, we do see some type of material spilling out from the surfaces, and that was normal. But here I cannot see that type of issues happening. Okay, next, going to the bottom section, even the suspension. Let me show you the suspension, how it works right now after 3 years of usage. Okay, see the suspension, guys. Okay, still there, right? So there is no problem at all here with respect to suspension as well. Most of the people complain about suspension, but I do not see any problem over here. Okay, the next issue, the next particular issue, segment that I wanted to discuss is on the wheels. Okay, so usually my surface is tile surface, so I do not see much of dust accumulated on the wheels, but it is still very comfortable or very smooth to use. So if you see, I can easily move from place to place within the same room itself. If you see, I can easily rotate. So that means what, the wheel is still intact. There is no problem with respect to the wheel as well. Okay, coming back to the price. So I purchased it for around 7,000 Indian rupees, so around $100. But right now I believe Ikea has increased the cost to approximately 10,000 rupees, which will be approximately $120. Okay, so with the price that I paid during, when I purchased, I believe it was a good deal. So when I got it for 7,000 rupees, and I'm using it, still I'm using it. It's been more than 3 years, around 3 years, I believe. I'm not recollecting the exact date of purchase, but it's almost 3 years as of now. Okay, and there is no problem at all with this particular chair. Whenever you are planning to go for purchasing this Millberget chair, do check about this video, because where you will find cons as well. Most of the people will not tell about cons whenever you go for purchasing any of the Ikea products. I would not say that Ikea products all are 100% correct or 100% bug free. It is not like that. There are issues with the product. As you see here, there is no reclinement. If people are okay with that reclinement, they can definitely go for that. But but let me tell you something. Whenever you go for another product or any other branded product from outside, maybe different stores or different brands, you might not get the durability that you want whenever you purchase outside. So that means Ikea products are durable. Okay, being genuine, I do use a lot of Ikea products, and those all are having no issues at all. All are durable. So with this, I just try to share my experiences with this Millberget chair from last 3 years. So because I was thinking to do it, but I could not. But now it's available for you guys. You can definitely watch this video completely. Okay. With respect to cushion, I will suggest you to use some towel if possible on the back. Maybe whenever your hair is a little oily or something, that might get accumulated over here and you might feel little dirty, but try to use a towel, which is always good. And that's all, guys, and I hope this video was helpful and you will like this video. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any comments, do share that on the comment section below. Thank you and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel as well. Thank you, guys.